Hello, everybody. This is Troy Lorenz, and this is my presentation for the Week 11 readings assignment on the question of quality of e-learning. Before I get into the summary of the readings, I'd like to just talk about how I had some difficulty in a lot of these readings this week due to what actually is defined as quality. Um, Quality can be defined in many different ways, both that are objectively and subjectively. Quality can mean how well a product or service meets the targets of its designers and end users. It could product mean, how well is a product set up to perform against its intended functions? What is the value that is seen? There's also a subjective component of the definition that focuses on the judgmental evaluation of what constitutes the product or the service quality. So there's both, as I said, uh, objective and subjective definitions of quality, and that goes into a little bit about this week's readings, in that a lot of them are setting up building processes and building different ways to build out quality, and one of them that leads to the focus of what this presentation is around is called a program called Quality Matters. This is a faculty-centered peer review process that's designed to certify the quality of online and blended courses. So it's Quality Matters is a leader in quality assurance for online education and has received national recognitions for its peer-based approach and continuous improvement in its online education and student learning. Um, Quality Matters subscribers include community and technical colleges, universities, K through 12 schools, systems, and other academic institutions. So this is what is a program that I've seen many different, after doing the readings, I've seen many of the logo of certification for this. So it's one of the most popular and promoted different standards of quality. So Quality Matters has been essentially transforming established best practices in online education-based research into an applicable, scalable course level improvement process. So it grew organically out of a community of Maryland distance educators and was formally developed in 2003 from the United States Department of Education Fund for Program Improvement of Post-Secondary Education. The acronym is FIPSE. Quality Matters really is a belief statement put into practice and made tangible as a system of integrated tools and processes to improve quality in the structure of online courses. This process will entail a belief that online courses should reflect their design. From what research has revealed, it's a belief that instructors best serve their students and each other through peer review and feedback, so for continuous improvement, and a belief that a shared understanding of quality can support diverse pathways to meet a standards of excellence. The mission statement. So what it is, Quality Matters mission statement is to promote and improve the quality of online educators and student learners through a development of current research supported and practice based quality, evaluation tools and procedures, recognition of expertise in online education quality assurances and evaluation, fostering a culture of continuous improvement by integrating Quality Matters standards and processes into organizational plans to improve the quality of online education, providing professional development in the use of rubrics, tools, and practices to improve the quality of online education, and also peer review and certification of quality in online education. So, this is a diverse community of instructional designers, facilitators, professionals, teachers, subject matter experts, and administrative, all united by a shared focus of commitment to quality outcomes for their students. The program is built with tools intended to support collaboration to create strong and enduring networks, development, and shared resources. There are three parts to this to the process. First is the rubrics and standard, which is really the gold standard for courses programs. They have from general to specific, and it provides a pathway for benchmarking quality objectively, repeatedly, and predictably. The second is peer review, which is a robust collection of 8,000 reviewers to a system that provides expert input into the quality assurances and improves standard achievement. And then third is professional development, which actually strengthens expertise and workshops and resources, and provides resources focusing on improving quality and broaden the skill set around these different types of roles. So you can look at Quality Matters can be framed as a design-based research project. Essentially, design-based research is putting educational theory and research into a wide context and realities that exist in education. So applying these design-based research principles, the organization aim is to provide validated, replicable processes and tools for improving and assuring quality in online educators. It's focused on situating the course improvement process and tools in published research, as well as analysis of qualitative and quantitative implementation data within real courses, programs, and institutions. So, design of course injections occur multiple times during the cycle. So there is at the faculty awareness and application level of the course, design at the course design application level, where the rubrics are used in the design, the analysis and evaluation of course level when a course is informally or formally reviewed by a peer, at the creative level when a specific recommendation for course design improvements are provided during a formal review, and then also at the institutional level where there is a common set of language and processes are implemented. So to go a little bit more into the three sections, there's first is what I mentioned as the rubrics and standards, which are set out to achieve the goal for delivering quality online learning. They have to agree on what the expectations are. You need trustworthy standards that foster objective feedback on course design. Rubik standards were created to help course developers, teachers, faculty, entire organization, and students. And what is set up as the general standards and specific review standards in each rubrics are intended to guide the development, evaluation, improvement of online and blended courses. So the Quality Matters rubric contains 5 quality standards for online course design and also an online instructor skill set rubric. The second part is the peer review, which is a rigorous process that follows a specific protocol along with specific criteria for certification of the reviewers themselves that focus on impacting and sustaining change within the institutional system. Reviewers are allowed access to secure systems that include the reviews and they have guiding review tools for guiding processes and achieve quality assurance goals. Coupled with the appropriate rubric standard, the peer reviews use collaboration and targeted feedback to assess quality. The focused documentation and discovery help prioritize areas for improvement. And the third, as I mentioned, is the professional development. The third phase is which is designed to help educators deliver the promise of quality online learning to every level of learner, from K to 12, higher education, continuous and professional learning, and corporate training. There are many different types in the professional learning development around online certificates, workshop, they have courses, web conferences, success stories, and dedicated sessions. So this really goes back to the initial question of why does quality of e-learning matter? As faculty members or instructors, we want to make a difference in the lives of our students. You want to teach them relevant topics while offering them a quality education. For faculty, teaching online courses Quality Matters offers training, certifications to help them meet their goals to ensure the quality of their courses. Learners need to improve and grow. You work to nurture them in well-conceived, well-designed, well-presented courses and programs. The goal is to provide a system to help you deliver on that promise with review, improvement, and certification of quality. Course quality standards are a valuable component to instructional design because they provide specific benchmarks and requirements to guide course writers as they consider which materials they will use to build the final product. Much the way the students refer to rubrics when completing assignments, course quality standards serve to inform course writers on both industry best practices and requirements. Some examples of widely known course quality rubrics include what we're talking about here in Quality Matters. There's also quality, the OLC Quality Scorecard, and Quality Online Courses Initiative rubric. In addition, when working with instructional designers, course writers can receive specific recommendations regarding their standards they're expected to meet, assist to those standards. So the benefits. Quality Matters has set up benefits to both the learners and also to the institutions. As you can see from the slide here, that learners, the benefits of them are the satisfaction of the course, retention, completion, and then success. The benefits to institutions really goes around accountability, having stakeholders, funding, and accreditation. So there's benefits. This talks to the benefits of the overall Quality Matters process that is built to provide these benefits. But when you take a step back, you really should look at the benefits, especially some of the ones that are used in I've seen in software IT development, which are also applicable in education, in that quality really is a measurement of satisfaction, confidence in the program, reputation, best practices, consistency, performance, evidence-based updates and input, and overall program success. With regard to all the readings, these are the common attributes of quality that each of the courses, when they're looking to set up standards, are trying to achieve. So in summary, quality, as I said, Quality Matters is only one of an example of building a process to build quality into education. The summarized Quality Matters is really a widely adopted educational input set of tools and processes based on research. It's aimed at facilitating improved educational outcomes within and across institutions that are collaborating to create a strong, enduring network and shared resources. And it's finally the continuing process of improvement based on outcome analysis and ongoing design-based research practice. All of these go into building a continuous improvement process for the quality of online education. And after, just in summary, as I mentioned before, after going through the readings and doing a lot of research on Quality Matters, I'm now noticing that the Quality Matters logo is on a lot of different types of materials that are available online. So by far this seems to be one of the most used, most respected, and the most I guess the highest standard as you can to set up on how you want to build a quality into your program certification. Thank you very much and have a great day.